Welcome to the Great Wall of China, one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, and a powerful symbol of human history. This ancient structure stretches across mountains, valleys, and deserts, showing the strength, patience, and determination of the people who built it. Walking along the wall feels like stepping back into a distant past, where history is written in stone. The Great Wall of China was built over many centuries by different Chinese dynasties. Its main purpose was to protect the country from invasions and outside threats. Soldiers once stood guard along the wall, watching the borders day and night. The wall also helped control trade routes and protect villages, making it an important part of ancient China's defense system. The wall is incredibly long, stretching over thousands of kilometers across northern China. It passes through high mountains, deep forests, and open plains, adapting to the natural landscape. Builders used local materials such as stone, brick, wood, and packed earth. This smart use of resources helped the wall survive for hundreds of years, despite harsh weather and time. Along the Great Wall, there are many watchtowers and forts. These structures were used to send messages using smoke during the day and fire at night. This allowed quick communication across long distances. The watchtowers also provided shelter for soldiers and storage for supplies, making the wall both strong and practical. Today, the Great Wall of China is a world-famous cultural treasure and a popular tourist destination. Millions of visitors come each year to admire its beauty and history. Surrounded by nature, the wall stands as a reminder of human effort, unity, and resilience. In the end, the Great Wall is not just a structure, but a lasting symbol of human achievement and heritage.